Okay, welcome back. So coming back with a new video on quadratic equation as I promised you in last video. Okay, so again we are going to solve some questions of quadratic equation and from this exercise 4.3, and as I told that one of my students had asked me to solve this question number 8. So last video we solved question number 6 and I explained all the methods what can be utilized. Though we utilized only the discriminant method, which is very you can say comfortable and handy and immediately we can utilize it. So that was there, but other methods are also not very difficult. It is not very difficult. I can say that these are easy only. We need to have some practice. Okay, so what actually mathematics needs? Mathematics needs some practice. If practice is there, all methods are easy. Right? Okay, so now my friends, you all have understood very clearly that without practice will not be able to perform better. So rightly somebody has said that practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Very nice. So let us see next question what we are going to solve in this quadratic equation. Okay, so now I will not tell you actually what actually is the quadratic equation. Already it is written here. You can see the general form of quadratic equation, which is a second degree polynomial, and then various methods are there to find out the solutions, like factorization method we can utilize. We can utilize completing the square method. We can utilize the discriminant method, and in this question we will be utilizing discriminant method only. Okay, right, very nice. So let us see that what question says. Let us find out the solution. Okay, gentlemen, so what it is there? A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. So we all are performing train journey very frequently. We are moving from one place to another, and maximum of us, we can say that we have traveled in train. Okay, so we have traveled and we have experienced already that what is the train, what's the speed, how much time it is taking. Okay, before moving in any train, we used to find out through various resources. Now internet has become the rich resource where we can find out that which train is going from which place to which place, at what time it is reaching, at what time. Okay, so by that we can find out the speed also. Okay, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. So distance is given to us. Distance is given to us, that is 360 kilometers. So suppose the train is traveling from A to B and this distance is 360 meters, which is generally denoted by S. Okay, 360 kilometers. I am sorry, 360 kilometers. Okay, and if the speed has been 5 kilometers per hour more, so what it says that the distance of 360 kilometers, it is traveling with some speed. With some speed. So we can say that let the speed of the train, if I am writing, so x kilometer per hour, I am assuming, let it be x kilometer per hour. So with x kilometer per hour, it has covered 360 kilometers. It means it has taken some time. It has taken some time. Okay, so time taken to cover. So time taken to cover the distance of 360 kilometers per hour. So what we are going to utilize? We are going to utilize the formula speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So here I am writing speed is equal to distance by time. So this method, this formula we are going to utilize. From this what we can see, t we can write as distance by speed. We can write. So time taken to cover the distance of 360 kilometers, that is t is equal to 360 divided by the speed of the train is x kilometer per hour, and this is in hour. So has taken T hours, time T hours to complete the journey of 360 kilometer at the speed of X kilometer per hour. Okay? So this is the first case. This is the first case which we are going to utilize. Then, second case, what it is telling, if the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more. What it is?
5
More. 5 kilometer per hour more. More means earlier it was having X. It means if it is having X plus 5 kilometer per hour. Means earlier it was having 20 kilometer per hour. So it has taken some 10 hours time. But if it would have increased by 5 kilometer per hour, means 20 plus 5, 25 kilometer per hour, then in that case it will be taking 1 hour less. It means 9 hours it would be taking. Like this it is there. Okay. So in second case, if the speed is X plus 5 kilometer per hour, okay, then time taken, so new time will be there now, new time, so that is you can say T1. So this time taken will be what? It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. 1 hour less means earlier it is taking 360 by X. So 360 by X minus 1 hour. Correct? So it will be 360 by X and minus 1 hour. 1 hour. Then what we need to find? We need to find the speed of the train, gentlemen. We need to find the
speed of the train.
Speed of the train. Okay, so we have to find the value of X. We have to find the value of X. Okay, so this is the time X plus 5. Right. So this T1 is equal to, again distance is same. So distance is same, 360 by. Now speed of the train is what? X plus 5? X plus 5. So X plus 5. Correct? And this T1 is 360 by X minus 1. So we can write it as 360 by X minus 1 is equal to 360 by X plus 5. Yes or no? Okay. So now when we are writing in this way, quadratic equation will come. Now we have to frame quadratic equation. Okay, so let us solve it. So from here, what we can find, we can take LCM. So 360 minus X. Okay? So 360 minus X by X is equal to 360 by X plus 5. Then further, can we go for cross multiplication? 360 minus X into X plus 5 is equal to 360. X, gentlemen, this side. Okay, now we are going for multiplication. So 360 into X, 360X. Then 360 into 5. So this is plus, this is plus, this is also plus. Okay, so 150, 180. So 36 into 5, 180. So 1800. Then here it is becoming minus X square. Then it is becoming minus 5X is equal to 360. X, gentlemen. Okay? This 360X will get cancelled from both sides. And now this one will take to right hand side so that this X square will become positive. Okay? So we will make it as positive. So it will become X square plus 5X and this 1800 will become minus is equal to 0. Now we can utilize the formula. Let us find out D is equal to, so what? B square is 5. minus 4ac. So 5 square minus 4a is equal to 1 and this one is this one. So 4 into 1 into c is minus 8, sorry, minus 1800, minus 1800. So this will become, gentlemen, 25 minus minus will make it plus. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And 18 4 just 72, so 7200 and it has given you 7225. Okay?
Yes, sir.
7225. Now we have to find whole root d. So whole root 7225. Okay. So let us see in which way we can find out. By long division method also we can find out. Okay, if we are finding long division method, like we are writing here 7225, then we are going for pairing from right hand side, and 6 6 36, 7 7 49, so 8 8 64, 9 9 8 1. So 8 8 64 we are going, then it is becoming 8 2 5, and here we are going for adding 8, so it is becoming 1 6. So 1 6 5, so 5, so 16, 160 into 5, 800, 5 into 5 25, so this is becoming 825, gentlemen. So it is giving us as 85. Okay?
Yes,
And then we can find out x is equal to what? Minus b? Minus b. So minus 5 by utilizing the same formula, plus minus 85 by 2 into a. So a is 1 only. So this one will be equal to minus 5 minus 85. So minus 90 by 2. Or minus 5 plus 85. So 80 by 2. So this is giving us minus 45 or 40. So this is 45 and this 40. So again, the speed of the train cannot be negative. The speed of the train cannot be negative. So this particular value is not acceptable. So x equal to 40. So speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, so the speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, so what is there? 360. So earlier, if 40 kilometer per hour, so 360 by 40 is giving you how much? 9. So time taken in previous case 9 hours. But if the speed of the train is increased to 40 plus 5, 45, then the speed of the train will become 8 hours. What is 1 hour less than the speed of the journey. Okay, so in this way we can solve the questions by having a good approach. So the very first thing is required, gentlemen, is to understand the question properly. Understanding the question properly and understanding it, all the formulas and all, if we are writing in a systematic manner, in a better manner, solution also will come in a very smooth manner. Okay? So right, very nice. I will be coming back with one more question. We will solve one more question of this particular exercise, you can say. Okay, and then we will stop this particular exercise. Remaining questions will be homework for you all. Okay, right, gentlemen. So we will come with one more question in my next video. Okay, so thank you very much.
Yes, sir.